NgModel in Angular app. So I have a app ready available, the initial setup. So I will be starting from the app which is already set it up, right? So this is the initial app setup which we have seen in the previous video. So now let me right click, open with code. So this folder is getting open with code. Let me go back to the code. So that folder is opened, still loading. Once it's loaded, let me go there. It has many folder. Let's talk about the source and app, right? You can see app components are CSS. This is a component CS file, this is a HTML file, this is the component file. Let's go open this one. So here you can see this title is first app, and component is displaying here. So let's run this first. Let's run this first, right? Go to terminal, a new terminal. Okay, type ng open serve, right? So it will launch this app locally in this computer. It will build first, it will launch. So let's make sure it is building and launching. After that we will implement the NgModel. After that we will implement the NgModel. It's building. Let it wait for the build complete. 93% completed, 100% completed. It's launching the app actually. So it's launching in the Chrome browser. Okay, so you see that first app is running. So we can see all other things. These are coming by default by when you set up the first app. Now let's go to the code. So code we have this. So let's talk about this. Now let's put the model here, right? So this is the component. This uses this HTML. This is the module. So we will be changing the code in these three places. So if you see here running, let's like running, right? So you see the title. This title is coming from this app.component. This title. So right, let me rename this string company name. Company name is Online Tech University. Online Tech University. Okay, save it. You may immediately go and check here. You'll say okay, because I changed the variable, so it removed the name actually. So let's go and change it here. If you see is your company name, save it and go back. Okay, you can see the Online Tech University app is running, right? So now, but we don't want it. We want to delete this and make the some simple page. Do and create the one input. Okay, type equal to text for name equal to company name okay, finish it. Normally each input will have the label. We create the one label for company name. Close this and like open the now NgModel. Let's use the NgModel. Square bracket parenthesis, put the NgModel equals string company name. Save it. Now let's go here. It's reloaded, but nothing is displayed. Nothing is displayed. The reason is we have added the component as a string str company name here, str company name here, but we need to add the module also. Form modules required here. So import from at Angular plus forms. So what we want, form module. Okay, save it. Now go ahead, it needs to be imported here as well. Paste it, save it. Now go back to the browser, it will get refreshed. So you see text box, right? So you see text box here. So now add the one paragraph. Okay, put it str company name, str company name, save it, go back to here, it will get reloaded, str company name, right? It will get reloaded. Let's copy this, go to here, put exactly, uh, so you will see this, you are seeing this. Okay, when you stay company name, the online technology, you are seeing this. And when you go to HTML, you put this, you put this, and it will read the data from here, and this also will read the data from here. Now we are using NgModel. What is the purpose? So you want to change the company name to something else, so it will get reflected in both places. This is how you will be able to use NgModel. But what is the starting page? So you can see the index.html. There you can see all those things, and you see app root, the app root, right? That you will be seeing, uh, you will be seeing here, right? Select app root, right? So like that, Angular will execute the code, and it will use this component, and whatever the business logic written in this component will be displayed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and tap the bell notification and subscribe.